In this video, I'll show you how to multitask on your Samsung Galaxy A9 and A9 Plus by splitting the screen in two different parts so you can have two apps at the same time. First thing you need to do is to open the apps you'd like to use separately on the screen. So let's say I want to use Google Chrome, so I'll open Google Chrome. Then I can exit Google Chrome. Let me open the second app that I'd like to use. So in my case, let's say calendar, okay? And then you're gonna press these three bars over here. You're gonna see all the apps that are open in the background. Okay, so I want the calendar and Google Chrome. So I'll choose my first one, click on the app icon, okay, so on the small calendar here. And then you should have the option open in split screen view. Click here. And it'll open it on the left side. Now I want to add another app over here. So it will say select app, and I'll click on the app over here that I'd like to open. And here we go, I have both of them open. Now, if let's say I don't want to have a huge calendar and I want to take this Google Chrome page and make it slightly larger, in the middle, you're gonna see three dots. Keep your finger pressed on it, and then you can drag on one side or the other to make one app smaller in case you don't really need to have a big screen for that one. And yeah, now you can start using both apps the same way you're doing as usual. And from here, these three dots that I just showed you can also act as a way to switch apps. So click on it and you see these arrows. Click on those arrows and it will simply put this this page on the left side and the other one on the right side if you prefer this way. You can also re-click on these, and if you select the first option, okay, it will put the apps one on top of each other in case you prefer doing this layout. And again, you can adjust if you prefer having one bigger than the other. If you want to make this app take the full screen, you're going to click and select these arrows. You see? If you prefer this app to take the full screen, click on the line that is above the app, just like that, and click that, and you see the calendar will take the full screen. And this is about it. You exit the multitasking screen and you can use it as usual. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.